How to add temporary service changes on your page on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add temporary service changes on your Facebook, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it. Now click on those three lines up there and click on your page. Once you are in your page, click on the setting icon and click on page info. Scroll down and you're gonna find add temporary service change on hours option. Click on it and here you have update temporary service changes. Click on open with service changes, or the second option, which is temporary closed, or the third. Choose wherever you want, and if you are done, click on save, and this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to like.